Now we are going to writing in English IMAX book. Okay. So page number 11. Letters of the alphabet. Letters A and A. So this is capital A and small a. This is capital A. This is small a. What say A? A says A, as in ant. I have an apple. A, a, a. I have an apple. A, a, a. A, ant. A, apple. A, ox. So this is capital A and this is small a, alligator. Okay. Now how we have to write letter A in 4 lines? It's mean we have to write down in 3 lines. Make slanting line, 1 slanting line, 2 sleeping line, 3. This is capital A. Which letter? First letter, capital A. Okay. Now again we have to write here. Make slanting line. This is left slanting line. This is right slanting line. Make sleeping line, capital A. Left slanting line, right slanting line, sleeping line, capital A. Left slanting line, right slanting line, sleeping line, capital A. Left slanting line, right slanting line, sleeping line, capital A. Like this. Okay, student? Now we are going to write small a. In blue line, 2 line, we have to write down small a. Make a half curve and make standing line and little bit take out tail. This is small a. Small a. The sound of a is a. Okay. Ant, apple, axe, alligator. This is small a. Okay. A, ant. So we are going, I will write here capital A. Okay. A, axe. I will write down here small a. Okay, student. Now again we have to write down capital A and small a in another book. Okay, so this is practicing letters book. Now open the book. In previous video we learn patterns. Okay, now again we have to write down in practicing book capital A. Okay, so page number 12. This is page number 12. Now first we have to trace capital A. Slanting line, sleeping line, capital A, capital A, capital A. A, ant. This is the picture of ant. Left slanting line, right slanting line, sleeping line, capital A. Left slanting line, right slanting line, sleeping line, capital A. Left slanting line, right slanting line, sleeping line, capital A. Left slanting line, right slanting line, sleeping line, capital A. Left slanting line, right slanting line, sleeping line, capital A. You have to say like this, student. Okay, so sharp your pencil and then write down. Now without tracing, okay, make left slanting line, then right slanting line, sleeping line, capital A. You have to write down in 3 lines. You have to start from top and make slanting line, again one more slanting line, sleeping line. This is capital A apple, A ant, A alligator, A apple, ant, alligator, axe, abacus. This is capital A. This is called capital A. Okay, student? You have to write down slowly. Writing should be properly. Okay? Sharp your pencil and then write down. This is capital A. Capital A. Capital A. You also revise again and again. Okay, capital A, capital A apple, A ant, A axe, A alligator, A arrow. This is capital A. Which letter? Capital A. Like this we have to write down. It's very easy, student. Keep your pencil on pink line, make slanting line, one more slanting line, sleeping line, capital A, capital A. A says A. What say A? A says A. Like this you have to write down capital A, capital A, capital A. I have completed my one page. Now again we have to write down small a. Okay, now this is small a, student. Now this is small letter A. Okay, so page number 38. A apple. This is the picture of apple. Now trace the letter small a in 2 lines. Like this you have to trace letter A in 2 lines. These are blue 2 line. In that line we have to write down letter A. Okay, first we are tracing letter A. This is small a, small a. This is small a. Okay, now here we have to write small a, make a small curve, make standing line and make a cross line. This is small a, like this. Make a curve, make cross slanting line. This is called small a, small a. You have to write down in blue line. This is small a. You have to write down in blue line. These are 2 blue line. In between blue line we have to write down small a. First you have to make curve, then make little bit line and little bit you have to make tail. Take out the letter, small letter A, tail. This is called small a, the letter of small a. Okay, like this you have to write down. Sharpie your pencil, repeat again and again. Apple, alligator, ant, ox, abacus. This is small letter A. This is small letter A. Okay, student. So you have to complete 2 pages. Small a and here capital letter A. Page number 12 and page number 38 you have to complete. Sharp your pencil, writing should be properly, and click the photo and send on the group. Okay, so till then, bye bye.